properties, like the one I'm standing on right now, are highly sought after but rarely found. Half an acre on the northern Gold Coast, minutes to everything you need, plus walking distance to the schools and so much more. Head inside, check it out.
Open plan living and dining with great finishes and dual living behind me.
Out the back is where you can truly imagine living here. Imagine family dinners, Christmas brunch, everything you need is out here, from the pool to the undercover shade, grass area at the back. You really need to come and see this one in person. We can't wait to see you then.
No one's gonna get me down, nobody. Flying so high beyond the clouds, like I was just